Before we dive deeper into the lesson, I suggest that you watch this lesson first to understand the difference with cut. Okay, what is cut? Cut is a colloquial word. It is considered as a preposition and approximately is a shortened version of the word dekat. Why did I say approximately? Although cut is a shortened version of dekat, however, both are not interchangeable in all contexts. Grammatically, it is incorrect to use cut for literature, documents, formal speech, and etc. Cut corresponds to other prepositions like di, ke, pada, dengan, and many more depending on the context of the sentence. In English, cut could mean nearby, near, close, at, to, from, on, and many more. Let's see how cut is generally used in Malay. Cut is commonly used for location or direction. For example, kat sini, kat sini. And formally we say it as di sini, di sini. And both mean here. Kat sana, kat sana. And formally we say it as di sana, di sana. And they mean there. As mentioned previously, cut is very colloquial, so you must remember more or less this rule when you may or may not use cut. First, in general, use cut when you are in an informal setting or with familiar people. You may use cut with families, friends, or people that you are familiar with, even with your bosses if they don't mind. With strangers, in informal settings, example asking directions at the restaurants, etc. But do not use cut in formal speech, text, literatures, technical, scientific text, formal meetings, example business presentations, exhibitions, and etc. News broadcasts, TV programs with serious contents. Cut, as previously explained, carries many meanings in English, and in Malay, it is not used exclusively for indicating a place or direction. Let's look at some examples. Kat mana? Kat mana? Where? Aku kat sini. Aku kat sini. I'm here. Aku means I, first person singular pronoun. You may use saya to be more polite with strangers. Check out the link above for first person singular pronoun lesson. Kau kat mana? Kau kat mana? Where are you? Kau means you, a second person singular pronoun. You may use awak or kamu to be more polite. Check out the link above for second person singular pronoun lesson. Aku kat rumah. Aku kat rumah. I am at home. Bagi kat dia. Bagi kat dia. Give it to him or her. Dia means him or her, a third person singular pronoun. Check out the link above for third person singular pronoun lesson. Ambil kat dia. Ambil kat dia. Take the thing from him or her. Ambil means to take, but ambil is colloquial. Formally, we use ambil, which ends with the letter L. Aku suka kat dia. Aku suka kat dia. I love him or her. Or, I like him or her. Suka means to like or to love. Tengok kat situ. Tengok kat situ. Look over there. Tengok means to look at something or to watch. Aku rindu sangat kat dia. Aku rindu sangat kat dia. I miss him or her so much. Rindu is to miss a person. Jangan letak gambar kau kat Instagram. Jangan letak gambar kau kat Instagram. Don't upload your photo on Instagram. Jangan means do not, and its function is to prohibit someone from doing something. Letak means to put, but in this case, the word upload is more suitable. Gambar kau means your photo. Aku nak cakap kat kau. Aku nak cakap kat kau. I want to tell you something, or I want to say something to you. Nak means a short form of hendak. Hendak is a formal word. Cakap means to speak or to say. Belajar bahasa Melayu kat YouTube. Belajar bahasa Melayu kat YouTube. Learn Malay language on YouTube. Belajar means to learn. Jangan bising kat aku. Jangan bising kat aku. Don't complain to me. Again, the word jangan means do not. Bising actually means noise or noisy. But in this context, complain is more suitable. Nak makan kat luar ke kat rumah? Nak makan kat luar ke kat rumah? Do you want to eat outside or at home? Makan means to eat. Kat luar means outside. Kat rumah means at home. The word ke here functions as the word atau in Malay, which means or in English. But colloquially, we use ke more often than atau because atau is more formal. But ke has more meanings or usages than this. We will cover more of ke in another lesson. We have come to the end of the lesson. I hope this will be very useful for you, and don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment or any questions related to Malay language. Click like and hit that notification bell. Thank you. Terima kasih.